Thinking of selling your home this spring? It's shaping up to be a great seller's market. But here's the catch. If your home isn't prepped right, it could sit for weeks or sell below asking. Hi, I'm Kara with Blue Lakes Real Estate Group, powered by Key Realty. And today I'm walking you through exactly how to prepare your home to sell in Traverse City's upcoming spring market. We'll cover how to time your listing for maximum visibility and avoid the biggest seller mistakes, and what prep work actually matters when buyers start pouring in. If you're not sure where to start or you're feeling overwhelmed about how to get your home ready, this video is for you. Spring is a great time to sell. More daylight, better weather, and buyers are ready to make offers. Here's what most sellers don't realize. The best results often go to those who list early. In Traverse City, serious buyers are already shopping by late February and early March. And with inventory still very tight, homes that hit the market early tend to sell faster with stronger offers and fewer conditions. In April and May, competition ramps up. More listings mean more choices for buyers and more pressure on the sellers to have to negotiate. Each year, we see early sellers walk away with better terms simply because they were first to market. If your goal is to sell quickly and for top dollar, this is the window to aim for. Buyers also have more flexibility to schedule showings this time of year, thanks to longer daylight hours. That means you need to keep your home show ready throughout the day. You can use timers on lights, make sure window treatments are open, and keep the space fresh and bright from morning through evening. If your home has outdoor spaces, a porch or deck or a balcony, don't overlook them. Set them up with minimal but clean outdoor furniture. Even a simple bistro table and chairs can help buyers picture themselves in the space. Spring is also the perfect time to knock out minor repairs that weren't possible in the winter. Paint the trim, reseal the driveway, and fix anything that would come up during an inspection. It's easier to get contractors here this time of year, and it's a smart way to prevent buyer hesitation later. In fact, this is when we often recommend doing a pre-inspection. It helps you get ahead of any red flags and allows for quick fixes and gives buyers extra peace of mind, which can lead to faster, stronger offers. Pest issues also tend to pop up in the early spring, especially ants, spiders, and termites. So take a proactive approach there too. Tackle any signs of pests before they start, and if needed, include a proof of recent treatment or inspection in your showing materials. Inside, make sure your HVAC and ventilation systems are serviced and that filters are cleaned. Buyers are more sensitive to odors in the spring, especially after a home has been closed up all winter. So make the small step. It does make a big difference. And here's something that many sellers don't consider: your utility bills. Spring is typically a low usage season for heating and cooling, so it's the perfect time to highlight your home's energy efficiency. Including a recent utility statement in your showing packet is a small move that can still help. If you're in a condo or an HOA community, spring is the best time to show off shared amenities. Let your agent highlight walking trails, outdoor spaces, and common areas that are just starting to open back up for the season. These lifestyle details matter more than people realize, especially to the out-of-town buyers. Lastly, remember, spring buyers are emotionally motivated. They're dreaming about fresh starts, later spaces, and new routines. So stage your home in a way that feels clean, calm, and aspirational. Swap out the heavy linens for softer textures, open windows when you can, and create small moments that help buyers imagine their next chapter here. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more helpful home selling and buying tips. If you're ready to start talking about a strategy for listing your home this spring, just schedule a call with us using the link in the description.